Welcome to Lines to Go installation videos. Today we will be removing and installing transmission cooler lines on a 2006 GMC Sierra using Lines to Go part number TCL-122. While this particular installation is on a 2006 Sierra, this set of lines will also fit the following year, make, and models as shown on your screen now. Lines to Go lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of Lines to Go lines are made from G2 Galfan coated steel tubing for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. Lines to Go lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors at the connections. Tools required: 7mm, 10mm, 15mm, and 22mm sockets and ratchet, 5/16 of an inch wrench, flat blade screwdriver, 3/8 of an inch transmission line disconnect tool, Lines to Go part number 5834-01, drain pan, jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting the battery using a 5/16 of an inch wrench. Next, using a flat blade screwdriver, remove the plastic push clips that secure the plastic upper cover and remove the cover from the vehicle. Use a 10mm socket to remove the bolt at the top center of the grille. Remove the two metal pins securing each headlight. Remove the headlight lens and disconnect the electrical connectors and set the lens aside. Once the top lens is removed, you have access to unclip the plastic retaining clip on the lower lens. Remove the electrical connectors from the lower lens and set it aside. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Use a flat blade screwdriver to unclip the metal clips that secure the front grille. Remove the front grille and set it aside. At the auxiliary transmission cooler, use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the plastic rings from the fittings. Use a 3/8 transmission line disconnect tool, Lines to Go part number 5834-01, to remove both lines from the auxiliary cooler. Install the tool over the line with the pins facing towards the quick connect fitting. Push the pins into the fitting and turn until you can see the metal locking spring open up. Next, we will need to remove the intake filter housing from the vehicle. Start by loosening the clamp using a flat blade screwdriver. Remove the intake air tube from the mass airflow sensor. Disconnect the electrical connector from the mass airflow sensor and pick up on the air filter housing to remove it from the vehicle. At the passenger side top of the radiator, use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the plastic ring from the quick connect fitting. Remove the line from the quick connect fitting using the disconnect tool. Next, raise and support the vehicle and remove the right front wheel using a 22mm socket. Use a 7mm socket to remove the right front mud flap. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the plastic push clip securing the right front inner fender. Remove the right front inner fender from the vehicle. At the passenger side bottom of the radiator, remove the plastic ring from the fitting and use the Lines to Go disconnect tool to remove the line from the quick connect fitting. Remove the plastic front lower cover from the vehicle using a 15mm socket. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts securing the metal heat shield to the passenger side of the transmission. Remove the plastic rings from the connections on the transmission and remove the lines using the transmission line disconnect tool. Next, remove the 3 transmission cooler lines from the vehicle. To begin the installation of your new Lines to Go transmission cooler lines, start by installing the line labeled A into position. The second line will be installed before any connections are made. This will allow more room to route the lines into position. Next, install the Lines to Go transmission line labeled B into position. At the auxiliary cooler, install the line labeled B into the driver's side quick connect fitting and secure the plastic ring around the fitting. Install the front of the line labeled A into the quick connect fitting in the passenger side bottom of the radiator and install the plastic ring. At the transmission, connect the line labeled B into the top quick connect fitting, making sure the connection is fully seated, and replace the plastic ring. Connect the remaining line into the lower quick connect fitting and replace the plastic ring. Secure the two lines into the metal bracket. Replace the heat shield on the transmission using a 10mm socket. Next, install the lines to go line labeled C into position. Connect one end of the line into the passenger side port in the auxiliary cooler and replace the plastic ring. Connect the other end of the lines to go line into the top fitting in the radiator and replace the plastic ring. Replace the intake air filter housing into position. Install the intake air tube onto the mass airflow sensor. Tighten the clamp securing the intake tube using a flat blade screwdriver. Replace the electrical connector into the mass airflow sensor. Next, install the front grille into position and secure it using the metal push clips. Replace the bolt at the top of the grille using a 10mm socket. Replace the turn signal lens by replacing the bulbs back into the lens. Place the lens into position and secure it using the plastic clip. Next, replace the headlight lens by securing the two electrical connectors and placing the lens into position. Secure the lens using the two metal pins. Repeat these steps to install the headlight and turn signal lens on the other side of the vehicle. Next, replace the plastic upper cover and secure it using the plastic push clips. Replace the front lower plastic cover using a 15mm socket. Replace the right front inner fender and secure it using the plastic push clips. Secure the right front mud flap using a 7mm socket. Next, replace the right front wheel and torque to spec using a 22mm socket. Reconnect the battery using a 5/16 inch wrench. With the vehicle running in park on a flat level surface, check the transmission fluid level and top it up as required. This concludes the installation of transmission cooler lines on a 2006 GMC Sierra using Lines to Go part number TCL-122. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linestogo.com or check out our website link below. And don't forget to take advantage of our free 2-day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you on our next video.